Title: How to create a YouTube channel, step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Start with a brief introduction and welcome your viewers. Explain the purpose of the video, guiding them through the process of creating a YouTube channel. Mention the importance of having a YouTube channel for various purposes like sharing content, building a brand, or expressing creativity. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Open your web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Click on Sign in and log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, click on Create Account and follow the prompts. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. Choose between using your name or creating a custom name for your channel. Step 3. Customize your channel. Click on Customize Channel to add a channel description, links to your social media, and a channel banner. Explain the importance of creating an attractive and informative channel layout. Step 4. Upload your first video. Navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube Studio. Click on the plus Create button and select Upload Video. Upload a video from your computer and fill in the necessary details like title, description, and tags. Step 5. Channel Settings, 4:30 to 5:30. Go to YouTube Studio and click on Settings. Customize your channel settings, including privacy, advanced settings, and channel permissions. Explain the importance of setting up your channel correctly to align with your content and audience. Step 6. Channel Art and Branding. Discuss the significance of channel art and branding. Explain how to create and upload a channel banner and profile picture. Emphasize the need for consistency in branding across your videos. Step 7. Monetization and additional features. Explain the YouTube Partner Program for monetization. Discuss additional features like playlists, cards, and end screens to enhance viewer engagement. Mention the importance of creating quality content to meet YouTube's guidelines for monetization. Conclusion and call to action. Summarize the key steps in creating a YouTube channel. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video. Prompt them to leave comments if they have any questions or need further clarification.